Hey friends, in just a few days, thousands of pastors from around the world and across our nation are going to be gathering in Orlando, Florida for General Council 2021, and I am so looking forward to seeing many of you there. I want to share a word of encouragement with you. When I was a younger minister, I had a woman in ministry share this simple truth with me. She said, change comes from the inside. Well, what does that mean? That means we need your leadership voice at the table. And one of the best ways to do that at a gathering like General Council is to show up and use your voice at the business session. I really encourage you to make it a priority to come and engage at the business session on Thursday and Friday of General Council. Why is that? Well, we need your voice. We need your influence. And a few things you can do to prepare are this. You can read the resolutions that have been emailed out to you. Come informed, educate yourself. Instead of reading other people's opinions on social media, read the resolutions yourself. Number two, if you are going to engage at the microphone during the business session, which we really encourage you to do, have your notes and your main points written out so that you can articulate them well. I know that our movement is doing amazing things in the US and around the world and really fulfilling the mission of being the greatest evangelism the world has ever seen. And we need your voice of influence because change comes from the inside. So I look forward to seeing you in Orlando next week, and I really hope to see you at the business meeting.